Do you use Arduino? What if I tell you there's a board that is more powerful and used in real industry projects? Today I'm going to show you the Nuvoton NuMaker UNO-M4. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are starting a brand new series, Nuvoton MCU complete tutorial from scratch. If you want to learn embedded system seriously, this series is going to be extremely valuable for you. So what exactly is this board? This is the Nuvoton NuMaker M4, a development board based on an ARM Cortex-M4 microcontroller. Unlike Arduino Uno, which use an 8-bit microcontroller, this board uses a 32-bit MCU, which means higher speed, better performance, and more advanced features. And this is the kind of board used in real embedded and industrial applications. Let's quickly look at some of its key features. High-speed processor 72 MHz, 12-bit ADC for accurate analog reading, PWM support for motor and LED control, communication interface like UART, SPI and I2C, USB programming support, easy to connect with your PC. So basically this is a complete embedded development platform. Now let me give you a quick overview of the board. This is the microcontrollers, these are the GPIOs, this is the USB connector, and this is the power section, and this is the debugger pins. If you have used Arduino before, the layout will be familiar. In this series we will start from the very basic and go step by step. LED blinking, button input, ADC reading, PWM control, and finally a real world project. So this will be a complete beginner to advanced journey. If you are serious about learning embedded system, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for watching.